In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain on Cloudflare. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel confident finding a domain name you like, checking its availability, and completing the purchase smoothly. First, open your Cloudflare account by signing in. If you're new, go ahead and create an account and complete the quick onboarding. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left panel. Find and click the option labeled Domains. This is where Cloudflare organizes everything related to domain management and, importantly, domain registration. Inside the Domains section, click on Registration. This takes you to Cloudflare's registrar area. Here, click By Domain. You'll see a search field where you can type the domain name you want, enter the name you have in mind. Something short, clear, and easy to pronounce usually works best, and then click Search. If your exact name is available, you'll see it listed with the price. Select it to continue. If it's not available, don't worry. Cloudflare will show you suggested alternatives, often with different endings or slight variations. Review the suggestions carefully. Look for names that are simple, relevant to your project, and easy to remember. When you find one you like, select it and click Confirm to move forward. Next, you'll be prompted to complete the registration form. This is the official contact information for your domain. Enter accurate details, including your name or organization, address, and contact info. Make sure everything is correct and matches your legal information, as registrars can require validation. If you see any optional fields, fill them out only if they apply to you. Take a moment to review your entries before continuing. When you're ready, select your payment card as the payment method. Enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address as requested. Double check your billing information so it matches what your bank has on file. You'll likely see an order summary including the domain price and any applicable taxes. Review it carefully, then follow the prompts on your screen to authorize the payment and complete checkout. Depending on your bank, you might need to approve the transaction with a verification code. That's it. Once the purchase is successful, Cloudflare will process the registration and your domain will appear under the domain section of your account. From there, you can manage it whenever you're ready. If anything looks different on your screen, don't worry. Cloudflare occasionally updates their interface. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be set.